Hey everyone! Welcome to the AVKANS YouTube channel. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the AVKANS GO wireless NDI camera. It does 4K FHD high-def live streaming and recording, plus it's got TOF autofocus that locks in perfectly no matter the scene. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, let's get to know the basics. On the front, you've got two mic holes and a tally light. The back has the power button, with a power indicator and ports right below it. The USB port on the back works as a webcam, and the HDMI out lets you hardwire it to a video switcher for live streams. You can plug in an external mic too, and it comes with a micro SD card slot for recording. To turn it on, just hold down the power button. Once it's on, the front tally light turns green. Those 4 white LEDs show your battery life, 0% to 100%. Now let's talk about using AVKANS Live. You have 2 ways to download our app. The first way is to download it through an app store. If you use an Apple device, please go to the App Store to download it. If you use an Android device, you can download AVKANS Live via the Google Play Store. The second way is head to AVKANS' official website, click the download button at the top, then scroll down to find AVKANS Live. Grab the version that fits your device, download it, and install it. Once it's installed, open AVKANS Live and hit the plus sign to add a new video. Make sure your camera and phone are on the same Wi-Fi. Once they're connected, you'll see the camera feed in real time. The big screen at the top is your main program feed, and the small one below is the preview. You can connect up to 3 cameras at once. Just click whichever one you want to switch to the main screen. Drag the top slider to adjust the focal length of your current video, and the bottom one to quickly tweak it when switching cameras. The mute button in the top right turns off your phone's sound, and if the screen feels too small, just hit the zoom button next to it to make it bigger. Click the transition button to pick cool effects for switching scenes, and you can even adjust how long the effect lasts. Next, hit audio to tweak the sound. You can adjust the volume from the camera to your device and the camera's own mic level. Perfect for getting that audio just right. Want to record? Just click record. You can choose your video resolution and where to save it. Totally up to you. Now for live streaming. Click Live, and you've got 2 options. Either log in directly to YouTube, Facebook, or other platforms, or enter your live server URL and stream key for a custom server. Pick your desired quality, and you're live. Quick heads up though, if you switch to another app, the stream might pause. So keep AVKANS Live open on your screen, use the camera's RTMP stream. Or if you're on an iPad, use Stage Manager, whatever works best for you. Let's have some fun with effects. Click the effects button in the middle below, then hit plus to unlock 7 awesome tools. Customize them however you like. First, text. Change the color, background color, size, and drag it anywhere on the screen. Second, time. It shows the current time, adjust the size, color, and where it sits. Third, add images. Resize them and plop them wherever you want. Fourth, picture-in-picture. Pick your video source. Adjust the size, border, and border color. Drag it to the right spot and click Next. Fifth, full screen overlay. Set the text size, color, and background, color or image. Super handy for live stream mishaps or intermissions. Sixth, scoreboard. If you're streaming sports, enter the URL to import it, resize and position it. Makes scoring way easier to follow. Last but not least, countdown. Set the duration based on your stream start time. Tweak the size, color, background transparency, and placement. Perfect for building hype. Once all that's set, layer up those effects and go live. You're ready to shine. Now let's cover camera settings. Click the preview icon to get to the settings menu. The second icon on the left lets you adjust focus, auto, manual, or area focus. Pick what works for your shot. The third icon is for image style and white balance. The fourth icon has 3 exposure modes. Choose whichever fits the lighting. Then there's recording settings. If you record to the SD card, USB and HDMI outputs will turn off, and the front tally light will blink green and orange. The bottom icon is for camera RTMP settings. Unlike streaming through the app, this lets you stream directly from the camera to your server. No app needed. Close the app, and as long as the camera's powered on and connected to Wi-Fi, the stream keeps going. Total game changer for long streams. You can also adjust the volume and noise reduction level to fit your needs. And the AVKANS Go does NDI HX3, SRT, HDMI, USB, or UVC, so lots of ways to connect. Finally, you can toggle TOF and tally on/off, pick your mount mode, and check out basic camera info. Click the first icon on the left to head back to the main screen. Hit the bottom right icon to see AVKANS live info. You can set video delay here too. If you run into any issues, shoot us an email or join our Facebook group for help. We're here for you. That's everything you need to know about the AVKANS Go camera. Hope this tutorial helped. Thanks so much for watching.